In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cover page in WPS Office. A cover page is the first impression of your document, and having a clean and professional cover can make your work stand out. Whether you are creating a report, project, or any formal document, WPS Office makes it easy to add a cover page quickly and efficiently. To create a cover page, click Insert at the top of your screen. Then look for the Cover Page option. Once you click it, you will see a variety of cover page templates that you can use immediately. Click on the one you like, and it will be applied directly to the first page of your document. If you are not satisfied with the cover page you selected, you can choose another one by clicking on a different template. Each option can be applied directly, and it will replace the previous cover page automatically. This makes it easy to experiment until you find the design that best fits your document. In case you want to remove the cover page entirely, there is an option at the bottom of the cover page menu labeled Remove Cover Page. Clicking this will instantly remove the cover page without affecting the rest of your document, giving you full flexibility to adjust your layout whenever necessary. Using these features, you can create, change, or remove a cover page quickly and easily. Take the time to customize the fields in the template, such as the title, subtitle, and author information, so that your cover page accurately represents your document. This ensures that your work looks polished and professional from the very first page. That is how you can create and manage a cover page in WPS Office. It is a simple process that enhances the appearance of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.